Hello you guys, I am Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I have some Dollar Tree Valentine's DIYs for y'all today. But today's DIYs are farmhouse themed. I actually have done 2 Valentine's DIY videos already. I will link those 2 videos below. One of them is a black and red theme. The last one that I just did before this one is more of a girly theme, a lot of pinks and purples. So if you want to see those, I will link them below. So we're going to use this for the first DIY. I'm going to make it more my style, more farmhouse style. I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing. Now I did start to do that because I wanted to see how easy it would come off, and it does come off really easily. So also before we get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of my viewers who responded and made suggestions about my nails. I have very paper thin nails and they just get worse when I go and get them done. So I actually have a few professional manicurists, if I'm saying that correctly, watching my channel. So I was very happy about that, and they gave me some awesome advice. Even the ones who aren't professionals gave me some great advice on what I could do. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate y'all so much. So then I'm taking a Dollar Tree poster board and I'm just tracing it to give me a new background. I am going to go ahead and remove the red hearts to add my own. I'm using these Dollar Tree doily hearts and I'm adding 2 to the top and 2 to the bottom. Now you can add any specific colors that you choose, and it's just very simple to make it your own. Alright, on to the next one. I have an old piece of wood right here that I've been having for a really long time from Michael's, and I have a Dollar Tree word. It's those galvanized words, and I'm using Valentine, and then I have a Dollar Tree wooden heart. So this one's really simple. I just want to take the word and glue it on there, and then I'm going to be painting the heart to put on the sign as well. A while back I painted this wooden sign with a gray paint, and then the edges I stained it with some brown stain that I had. I'm using some twine, doubling it, and then making a bow out of it the shoelace method way, and then I'll just be gluing that on the heart. For this next one, I am making a heart bouquet out of some Dollar Tree roses and hearts. What I did was save a tin can, and what I'm going to do is take my chiffon paint and give it 1 coat purposely because I do want this to look a little rustic. Since this is a farmhouse theme, I think it came out perfect with just 1 coat because it kind of looks distressed. You can see that silver color in the background. Next, I'm taking 3 wooden hearts and painting them with some black apple barrel paint. Once those were dried, to give it a little bit of a distressed look, I'm adding some of that chiffon paint on top of it. I started to layer in the roses one by one, cutting them down to the size I needed. I left the greenery on some of the roses, and on others I removed them. I had some popsicle sticks already, and I just painted them with the chiffon paint. Once that was dry, I used them on the hearts. Now they do sell wooden dowels at Dollar Tree if you do not have these. For this one, I'll be making a Valentine's window pane. I'm using these 4 Dollar Tree frames. They're kind of like shadow boxes, and I'm just going to remove everything from there first. Now, I know you guys have probably seen this a million times, so I'm going to go through it really quickly. It's really simple. Take out the backing and remove the gold stars, and then I'll glue all 4 frames together. It's really simple. I'm using hot glue, but it would be even better to use a heavy duty glue. And then I'm going to be gluing down the love sign right in the center. Lastly, I'm using this pack of Dollar Tree hearts and taking the wooden ones and placing one on each side. For the final 2, I'm using Dollar Tree gift bags, 2 shadow boxes. And the reason I picked these was because I really love the frames of these and the inside of them, especially this one with the wooden background. For the white frame shadow box, I'm removing the backing, and then I'm taking that piece of paper that was essentially the background, and I will be tracing it on top of the heart to get it the correct size. And I could not remove the glass from this one, so I had to put the heart on top of it. For this frame, I was able to remove the glass by just removing that black part, and then it came out very easily. After popping that back in, I'll just cut out the part of the gift bag that says Happy Valentine's Day and glue that on top. For the last 2, I kind of just gave both of them a little pop of color, but if you want to keep it within that rustic farmhouse theme, you could definitely put something else inside of here. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed all of these DIYs. I've been having so much fun creating different themed DIYs for Valentine's, and of course using Dollar Tree. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and I'll see you guys next week.